Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Westpac app is not working on your phone, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi Fi. Next, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Westpac app and swipe it away to fully close it. Then reopen it after a few seconds. Make sure your software system is up to date because outdated versions can cause banking apps to stop working. Then check the App Store or Google Play. Head over to your App Store or your Google Play, search for the Westpac app, and see whether you have updated your app or not. And so any available updates from the Westpac app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. If the problem continues, restart your phone. In most cases, this refreshes temporary app issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.